Hello friends, we are back in Tulsa, Oklahoma at the River Spirit Casino. Today we're gonna start on some, Cash Express Legend. See if we can hit something good here. Gonna try some different machines today. If this one doesn't work out, we'll find something different. So let's win some money. Thank you guys for all you do for my channel. Let's do this. All right, guys, here we go. $4.50. This one only has the 1 and 2 cent denom on it. So I know we need 3 coins and need to peg that bonus meter out, get a lot of buffalo, a lot of cool stuff. Hopefully it's gonna happen. Not happening yet. Oh, buffalo! Wild there. Oh, $10, not bad, not bad. Excuse me. Get that bonus meter maxed out there. Oh, that's a good amount there, $40. Come on, bonus. All right, 3 coins. I have a feeling I like all buffalo. It's hard to get the 3 coins, but could be wrong. Let's do something exciting here. Here at River Spirit, right on the river, very neat place if y'all haven't been here. To me, it's kind of like a Vegas resort. The pool goes like right up to the river, got a swim up bar, it's got a lot of good places to eat, including a Ruth Chris steakhouse. Very new, the rooms are fresh, modern, walk-in showers, neat place. So if you haven't been here, you're traveling through, might give it a check it out. Okay, we need a bonus here. Come on, coins. Oh, buffalo! The other buffalo wild symbol there would have been good. I don't know if you get so many of those if you get the bonus or not automatically. Oh, coins, where are you? All right, Cash Express. We're halfway through our bankroll here on this machine. And it's not doing a whole lot yet, hopefully. Come on. Okay, give it to us. Ah, that third one I have a feeling is hard to get. Come on. Oh, man. Gives you the old sweat. Where was that in the last spin? Come on, bonus. One more. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Boy. The old bonus meter isn't doing anything either. I thought this game might be good because somebody cashed out for 40 cents. So I was like, man, maybe we'll get something here. Come on. Come on, coin. Goodness gracious. Should we give it another 100 just for the heck of it? This will be 3. Why not? It's only money, right? Surely we can get a bonus here. A lot of queens. Come on, bonus. Man, oh man. Come on. One time. One time. Not this time. Oh, we got it. Fine. I don't know which train's the best. Probably not the blue one, but I don't know. At least we got something. I don't know what that star means. Keep them coming. Uh-oh. What's the star mean? I guess that's what it means. Well, wasn't the best bonus, but we'll see if we can get another one. I'd like to get the 3 coins. Come on, 3 coins. Oh, we got it. Heck yeah. Let's see what we get this time. Maybe we'll get the gold one or a good one. Oh, we got the gold one. I don't know if that's good either, though. To be honest with you. We're going to find out. Repeat win value. So that's $14. Okay, $14. Oh, that's not very good. What the heck? Well, there's 2 coins. Come on, give us something here. Give us something good. Hey, buddy. Come on. You guys probably, or a lot of you probably know this game better than I do, but if you know in the comments, let me know what's the best bonus to get. I've had the blue and the gold. I'm guessing you can get multiple maybe, I don't know. I would think 3 coins would be pretty good. Come on, one time. Boy, you can't get them 3 coins. I just... Coin. Oh, you get those coins too a lot, it looks like. Which I kind of had a feeling about that. But you know what? Can't win if you don't try. There's got to be a way to win something massive on this game. There's just gotta be. Wasted wilds. I had a feeling we weren't going to get it. Come on. A lot of shots at it. Come on, coin. Oh my goodness. What the heck do you gotta do to get the coins? Well, one more spin. We're gonna go find something else. All right, let's get my wheel out here and see what it says to play. Let's do this. Buffalo link. Let's try it. Let's go find a buffalo link. All right, guys, I found a buffalo lightning link, and the major is maxed out on the 5-cent denom at $2 grand. So, but we're gonna start out here, some $4 bets, and then hopefully we'll kind of progress up. And this one's $7.35, so we need 8 of those, 3 coins for the bonus. Oh, needed 2 more. Yeah, and that's wild. Six again. Blocker. Oh, there we go. Come on now. Need 2 coins to give us more games. Boy, this isn't looking good. Coin. There we go. Come on, do it. Need some more coins here. Uh-oh. Oh, needed that there. Not a very good bonus, but we'll do a few backups. One more. Goodness gracious. Full screen of Buffalo would be good. All right, let's try some $6 bets. Ooh, nice line pay there. Come on. Let's get 8 of those. Coin, there we go. 4-coiner. That should be pretty good. 60 bucks to start. Give us a hold and spin. Oh my goodness, 7 of them. Coin. Come on, coins. There we go. 2 more. Oh my goodness. 7 of them. Coin. Come on, coins. There we go. Oh, I think we get 8 games there. Move this over a little bit. Coin. Coin, come on, coin. Oh my goodness. Oh, times 3. All right, 135. Do a few backup spins here. Bonuses have not been very good. We have yet to get a hold and spin. A lot of queens. Oh, we got it. $40 mini. I'm gonna move this down just a little. How about a major? 737 would be good. Okay. All right, another 148. A few backups here. Oh, that's good. A lot of cougars. That should be good. That should be pretty good. 60 bucks. Come on. Do that hold and spin again. Oh. All right, let's go to the 5 cent here. This is the maxed out major at 2 grand. Oh, needed something in the middle. Come on, Buffalo. Oh, 2 coins. Dang it. Coin. There we go. Let's get a hold and spin here, please. Come on, coins. Oh, not a very good bonus. Few backups here. Oh, man. There we go. $100 mini. That's good. Come on, give us something else here. Slide it in there. Let's go. Come on. Oh, no. Boy. Not bad, though, guys. Not bad. Not too shabby. Oh man, there's some good looking numbers there. Two coins again. All right, let's close it out. Some $10 spins here. Oh, that should be good. $50 worth, okay. Boy, a bonus here, it could be great. $33. Come on, bonus. Oh, come on, Buffalo. Man, right there could have been a massive, guys. Coin. Oh, a lot of queens. Come on, hold and spin. Come on. All right, guys. Well, Cash Express, we were in for 3, in for 2 here, so that's 5 total, but we're cashing out for 401, so the way it started, I'm pretty good with that. So yeah, good place here at River Spirit Casino in Tulsa, Oklahoma. You might give it a check out if you're in the neighborhood. But yeah, hey, lost 100 bucks, but we're gonna live to play another day. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.